Important topic this week on Neff Strategies Consulting Group's Police Pontifications. We're here today to talk about a very important concept called justice. Now, if we think about justice as a circle, it looks a little bit like this. You can't have justice unless the circle is closed. The problem often with police training is that it only takes you so far. The training is often focused on the things that happen in the field. How do you react to certain situations? How do you conduct an investigation? How do you collect evidence? All of that is very important. How do you interview witnesses? But too often, police think that it stops here and that the prosecutor takes over and closes the loop. But the reality is that's not true. Prosecutors need police officers and law enforcement officers to close the loop, because even this isn't enough. And how do we close the loop? We close the loop with courtroom testimony. These days, there are far fewer trials than there used to be, and so agents typically are not as well versed in testifying effectively in court as they used to be, but we're here to fix that. Neff Strategies can help train your agency and your agents on how to testify effectively. We have prosecutors on our team with over 100 years of experience and hundreds of trials under their belts. More importantly, we have almost 24 former law enforcement agents who are some of the best testifiers that I've ever worked with, including some who have testified very effectively and truthfully in congressional hearings in a very powerful way. The loop gets closed when law enforcement officers testify effectively in court. Let us help you. Let's talk about it.